And I'm back again with a very familiar face. So do you want to introduce yourself?
Should I?
Yeah.
Don't they know me? No, I'm kidding. Hello beautiful people, it's your boy Luzuko, Mr. Flex of many languages. Most of you know me from the Big Brother screens, and most of you are still going to know me on the screens, on the streets. Yes sir.
Okay, so my first question, how's life post Big Brother?
Hey man, it's been quite overwhelming, you know, the love that I've been receiving, and you know, being in the industry, in the spaces, it's been quite great, to be honest, you know.
Okay, I want to ask about your outfit, because everyone clearly got a different memo today. What inspired your outfit today?
So for me, I didn't have anything gold, so I was like, you know, the closest thing to use is black.
Okay.
You know, so
I mean, it's majestic.
You understand? You know?
Okay, and then are you a big Zulu fan?
Yes, of course.
What's your favorite big Zulu song?
There's a lot.
Okay.
There's a lot. The recent one with MT.
Yeah.
Yeah, I love that one. That one is, it's been the one that's been doing the rounds and it hits home.
Okay.
So I'm quite curious to also hear, you know, the album, because I know that he always rips it up.
What's the collab that you're looking forward to in this album?
I think all of them, because I know that he always comes with the best collabs, you know, and I love the direction he always takes. So everything he does touches gold.
Shout out.
It's majestic.
I mean, and everyone here looks stunning. Do you want to say hi to anybody, give a shout out to anybody?
I want to give a shout out to myself. No, I'm kidding. No, anyways guys, I just want to give a shout out to everyone who showed me love in the house, even outside of the house. I love you guys so much. Please keep it locked, stay tuned. Luzuko is still here. Mr. Flex of
One last question.
Yes, ma'am.
Is Bandana boy still a thing?
No comment.
Fair. Thank you so much for joining us. Enjoy the experience.